Hi, I'm Danny Cruz, and I play the oboe. I'm working on this really interesting project right now that I think you're going to want to be a part of. I've been collaborating with this great friend and musician, Dan Hartung, in a percussion and oboe duet. We are slated to premiere some works from brand new composers at the IDRS conference in Boulder, Colorado this summer. And we are working with Ivan Trevino, who's this incredible composer and percussionist and wonderful person and musician as well. And he's very excited to write a piece for us. We love his music. He's incredible. We're going to hear from him in a moment as he explains the work he's working on for us to perform, as well as hear us reading through some of his ideas in like a jam session kind of setting. And it's been a lot of fun. The only issue is we need help funding the project. Dan and I's mission has been to perform works that help express a more diverse point of view in the classical music world, and we would really love your support in helping us do that. In gratitude for your generosity, you can check out some amazing perks either by clicking the link below if you're not already on the Kickstarter page, or by just reading about them if you are on the Kickstarter page. You could have us perform a private concert for you, either live or over Zoom. You could get to sit in and see how we work through some of the music in rehearsal. You could even have your name listed as a key contributor on the work itself. Or you could even gift the named contribution to a friend or loved one. That's a pretty cool gift. We're super excited to complete the project and have all these works come to life in Boulder, Colorado this summer. But we really need your help. So thank you so much for being generous and supporting us in this mission. We would love to have as many people listed as supporters of the project as possible because we think it's really important that music be a vehicle for human connection so that we can really show the world that as people, we're not all that different and we can celebrate our harmonious existence with one another. But that's enough from me. Let's hear from Ivan as he explains about the work he's working on for us, and you can even hear a little bit of what that's looking like right now.
Hello, I'm Ivan Trevino, and I'm going to write some music for Danny and Dan for marimba and congas, and Danny will be playing oboe. And there's a little bit of influence, I think, in this piece from the album Black Star by David Bowie. It's subtle influences, but his music has always meant a lot to me. And I think there's elements of sort of his sort of tonal language in this. And obviously there's a lot of percussive writing that will be complicated and fun and groovy. I might even have Danny play some percussion instruments, like maybe with his feet or with his hands, or maybe playing oboe and then playing, I'm not quite sure yet. But I'm envisioning something that is super groove heavy. I want people to sort of immediately know how to move to the music. I think that means a lot to me, and I grew up with a lot of movement and dancing in the music that I listen to. So that's kind of what I'm aiming for with this piece, and I'm just really excited. Like, Dan and Danny are like amazing musicians, and I've known Danny since my Eastman School of Music days. So I'm just so happy to write music with them. And I think what was cool about today is we just sort of sat down and I brought in a skeleton of some ideas and we just sort of hashed them out. Danny started improvising a little bit, started doing things that he doesn't normally do, like the multiphonic stuff, which I think is great. And I love sort of creating music on my own, but having an outlet to sort of explore with people and not feeling like it's just me who is, I don't know, in charge of everything, but giving people freedom to explore within my compositions is really important too. So thanks so much for listening to us. See y'all soon.
YouTube.